sir. Look what we have here. YouTube, what going on, man? It's been a little minute since I posted, but I did a few little modifications to my car. I'm about to show y'all what I did. The first mod I added was a MMD V-Series spoiler. It's way more aggressive than that factory spoiler, man. I had to get rid of that. Look at that. Bro, it's way more aggressive. All right, y'all, my second mod, I added a Corsa intake, man. Cold air intake. Enclosed intake, by the way. Look at that, man. It looks so nice. You got a Corsa logo right there. I don't know if you can see it. It kind of dirty, man. I need to clean my engine bay. I think I'm gonna do that today. Yeah, it looks real nice. Man, that boy Corey been going crazy too. He added some spacers on the wheels. Kind of like flush with the fender now. He got the same spoilers I do, and he got the Euro style, S650 Euro style RGB tail light, man. It's pretty dope.
Hey,
But, what's up?
push that down right. Like push it down as hard as you can. Keep going. As far as you can go.
Yeah, it ain't going no further.
Oh shit, it's hit the jack.
Oh, it's on jack.
Yeah. Alright, try it.
All right.
Damn.
Hold on, we gotta sit y'all down real quick.
1 hour later.
What? That's a little tough. Had stuff on it. But yeah, back to these tail lights, man. They so fine. They light up RGB. That boy Corey putting these spacers on the car. Corey putting some new lowering springs on the car. What are you, the E-Box?
Not on the BMR.
BMR?
Yeah, drag springs.
There you go. It's on there.
Yeah. All I gotta do is check this thing back up, put the bolts back in, it's done. It's a wrap.
Oh, it looks so funny, but oh yeah, man, somebody backed into my bumper too, bro. This part, the little clip broke right here, and I got some scuff marks right there. So I don't know if I'm gonna get a whole different bumper, or maybe they can fix this one, but it gotta be repainted in some spots. Bro, I definitely gotta get some wider tires. I hate the fit me to these. My car lowered too, by the way. I don't like how it's not flush with the fender. Look at that, all that. I don't like that, bro. Yeah, see, I gotta change that. Ew. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to clean the rest of this, well, as much as I can with this chemical gas, all-purpose degreaser. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Spray some on your rag. Microfiber towel. Get up in here. Well, I'm gonna have to do it later because it's some spots I couldn't get into. I gotta go buy a little brush, but it's still a little better than what it was. I got most of the dirt out of that part. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the store and get me like a little, what's it called? One of the little small brushes. Get into those tight spots. Yeah. Man, that intake looks so nice though, bro. Hey man, yeah, so when I step on the gas, it make like a little whine noise. I'm gonna let y'all hear it.
About 1,500, 2,000 for the install.
Oh man.
And then you said the springs were about 900.
Yeah, they different price. I seen like 8, 7, 9,000.
Well, that shit look clean, but the 10 look good.
Yeah.